All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Wednesday adjectives. So human, human, human. So human, person. Let's get a picture. Here we are. Human. Yeah, there we are. Being a person. Human. So she is a smart human. Yeah. We are human beings. Human beings. That is the humanity studies. Humans, humanity studies. Yeah, still different. These are human cultures. Across history, there have been a lot of human civilizations. Human civilizations, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Have you seen the human beings? Yeah. There are going to be more human beings in the next 100 years. Oh, okay. There are plans for human colonies on the moon. Human settlements. Yeah, we will need more human colonies, colonizers, settlers, workers on the moon in the future. How cool is that? Yeah. We might see evidence of more human settlements there. Yeah. See, in history, we can see evidence of human settlements, human anything, human settlements, towns, places, human lives all across the planet in different climates and continents. And continents, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. So human, being a person. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use human in a sentence, language explorers? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can follow me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.